Hello friend, welcome to Excel Macro Basic course. In the last video we have talked about case statement, and in this video we will talk about Goto statement. So Goto statement is one of the important statement in VB Macro and almost in all of the programming languages. Uh, Generally it is being used whenever we have a requirement to repeat few steps. I mean whenever we meet certain condition and we need to repeat the same steps again, then we can use the Goto statement. So this is a statement, like the syntax of the Goto statement. So like these are the statement 1, statement 2, and so on. And when a certain condition meet and you have to repeat these statement again, I mean statement 1 and 2 and so on, if you have to repeat it again, then you can call this level. Level is basically a level from which from where the statement will be re-executed. Okay, so this is how you can use your Goto level. So I will show you with the help of the example like how we can use it. So let me move to the Excel. Okay, so I'm suppose if we need from end user to enter the value which should be greater than 10. Okay, so user need to provide the value greater than 10, and based on the value certain tasks will perform to calculate some output values. Okay, by mistakenly user has entered value less than or 10, then it should prompt user to re-enter the value. Okay, but what will happen generally if user entered if we have applied some kind of validation, of course if we are asking the value from user to enter the value greater than 10, then we are also using the validations, and our validation if found the value incorrect, then nothing will happen. Maximum user will get a message that you have entered the wrong value. That's it. Then user have to repeat or rerun the program and re-enter the values. But why we are exiting the program? Like once we identify that user entered the wrong value, then we should prompt user that you have entered the incorrect value, please re-enter it. Okay, so to re-enter it, you know what I'm saying, the re-enter value. To re-entering value means you are running your code again in the single execution. Okay, so this we can do easily with the help of Goto statement. Okay, so I'm implementing this program, and so you will get an idea like how Goto statement can be used. So I am inserting a button form control here. I'm giving its name Goto state. Okay, and Goto state. Okay, now for this my program, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to define a value first as user. Okay, okay. Now I'm taking the input from the user input box, saying please enter value greater than. Okay, it's done. Now I'm putting case statement here. A first case is greater than 10. Then I'm supplying a message in cell A2. Okay, I mean row 1 and column 6. Okay, this work book dot seats. Okay, my seat name is C11. Okay, then sorry, giving, then cells 1.2 dot value equal to value. So this is the message that we will mention in this field if user entered correct. Okay, and then case else. Okay. So this only condition I'm checking because my value should be greater than 10. I mean the value which user is going to enter should be greater than 10. It is not greater than 10. Then what will be the step? Okay. So I'm mentioning that in this case cache case as a statement. Okay, so first thing I will do, I will just clean this message. Okay, here this message out. And now I will prompt user that you have entered wrong value. Okay, so you have to enter the value. Okay. You have entered the wrong value. Please read. Okay, then it's done. Now what will happen? Okay, so here I have conveyed user that you have entered the wrong value. Now I have to provide the same prompt, I mean same input box to user so that he can re-enter the value. Okay, so here I am going to use the Goto statement to re-enter. Say the label name is re-enter. Okay, and I have to end set now, and I have to define this re-enter label after that. Okay, re-enter and this. Got it? So what I did, I just asking user to provide the value which should be greater than 10. If it is greater than 10, then the cell 1 2 will be having the message value within range. If it is not greater than 10, then this message will be cleared and user will get a prompt to re-enter the value, and once the user click OK, then the same program will be repeat from the this statement to end. Okay, so this is how this is how we can use the case statement. So let me run the program, save it, then let me run it. Okay, I'm running it. So it is asking please enter the value greater than 10. If I am entering 11, click OK. So it is saying that value within range. Okay, value within range. If I run it again and I am giving a value 7 and click on OK, then it will say yes, you have entered wrong value, please re-enter, and prompt will be reopened. So this is how you can use Goto statement to repeat certain steps. Okay, and you don't need to rerun the program again. This is the example of Goto statement. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and share it with your friends, and also like the video. In the next video we will talk about the control statements. Thank you very much.